Top of the morning to you. Doing a deep dive on getting that Beatles bass tone, famous Abbey Road bass tone, which I don't know if you know this or not, but it was achieved with the Abbey Road compressor, EMI RS-124. Heavily modified Altec 436B tube unit. I looked that up. You can get a BJFE Pine Green Compressor pedal that's known to do a decent job, or Analog Man Bicomp or Fairchild-style Pedal. Alternatives: a Chandler limited outboard rack unit, Waves Abbey Road plug-in, Cush Audio AR1 plug-in. My only issue with that, and again, I don't have any personal knowledge or use. I have used the Abbey Road plug-in before. It does okay. It's digital. But you could also, I'm a cheap, crusty old dude, so I did a lookup on how to do it. I have this compressor sustainer, Behringer CS400. It's like a $30 compressor, in line with my Acme WB3 Motown Audio DI. And I looked up how to get that to sound like, what did I do, lose it now? I think I did. How to get that to sound like it. Let me look at my settings, and it said to put the level at 1 to 2 o'clock, or 12 to 2 o'clock. I think that has a lot, how much you set the level has to do with the bass, so I tried to equalize this bass so it's at about 1. The tone between 10 and 11, I'm at about 10. The attack between 1 and 2, and the sustain between 1 and 2, and I've got them both at about 1 o'clock. So here's a Beatles bass line I play a lot because it goes up and down the neck, and without the compressor. Let me do that again. No compressor. That's the Motown WB3. Admittedly, that does give any bass I play through it that kind of characteristic Motown punch, but it's an extremely subtle pedal. So now I'm gonna put the compressor on with those Abbey Road emulation settings, and let's see what happens. Okay, hold on a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know how this is going to work, but I just bypassed the DI. I went straight into the interface out of the compressor. That's the compressor on. Here it is off. Back on. Hold on a sec. Okay, I'm back through the Motown DI. Let me tell you, when I went straight into that Behringer, my interface, out of that compressor sustainer, I had to back the gain down to almost nothing on the interface. And now I'm back up at about 55%. So here it is again without the compressor. with the compressor. Played it wrong the first time. I'm going to play this out of time, slow. I started to do it, but I want to hear each note. Boy, that one right there really sounds a lot like, to me. Early Beatles doesn't quite do it, but when you get up around Sgt. Pepper's and Abbey Road, of course, that's the Rickenbacker he's using. Pickups aren't as hot as a Hofner. Hofners have really hot pickups. It's one of the things I don't like about the Hofner bass is the pickups are just too friggin' hot. To my mind, I think pickups that aren't as hot are far more subtle and get better tone. And I don't like the Hofner control plate. There's my peeve for the day. Anyway, let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you all. Be kind to one another. I'll see yous later, and all the bass.